Hello guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make a tutorial about Crunchyroll. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you that how actually I got the premium for free. If you want to learn how to do this, guys, watch the video until the end. I'm going to share with you all the steps I did for myself so you can be able to do it also you on your own. So guys, the first thing you need to do is to grab your phone in your hand. It doesn't matter what kind of phone you have. It can be iOS, it can be Android. The steps actually are going to be the same, okay? So how did I got the premium, guys? I'm going to show you right now here on a screen record and activate it on my Crunchyroll account. And as you can see, guys, I'm putting the code over here and it got activated successfully and gave me the 12-month mega fan subscription, guys, for free. So now I'm going to show you guys how you actually can do this. All right, so the first thing you need to do, guys, you need to go to your internet browser and you have to go and search about this site called lulucoupons.com. So once you're gonna enter in, guys, you have a lot of other things which you can check later. I'm gonna use the searching bar to find it faster, and here it is. You press on it and then you press show coupon code. Now you just need to wait a couple of seconds, guys, so the circle to get complete until the end. This is to check the validity of the coupons left on the site. So once it's going to be done, guys, it's going to take you to the next page and it's going to show you that the code actually is locked. So what you need to do is press get the full code, and then the next step, guys, is going to require you to complete a little task in order to unlock the code for free. It's pretty simple to do it. You just need to read the instructions, guys. It says here, download the complete 2 apps below to unlock Crunchyroll Premium promo code for free. You have a no, do not use VPN or proxy. If you're using any VPN or proxy, just turn it off before, guys. So down below, guys, you're gonna find this list of the apps which you need to choose 2 apps from the list to complete it as a task. All right, all the apps are for free. You don't have to pay anything. All the apps are coming from official stores, App Store, Play Store, depends on the phone you're using. So pay attention to the description, guys, because different apps have different descriptions, as you can see. So try to find which is the easiest one so you don't lose too much time on them. So once you're gonna choose which one you want to do it, you just need to press on it. It shows again the instruction, what you have to do, then unlock now, and it's going to take you to App Store if you're using an iPhone, or Play Store if you're using an Android device. So once you're going to get connected with your official store, first, guys, you need to download the app. After you download the app, you need to complete the tasks required as per description, guys, okay? So I'll complete both of the apps real quick, guys, and then I'll come back to you to show how to unlock the code. I'll not record the whole process of completing the task because it will make the video longer. So once I'm done, I'm going to show you the next step. So guys, I just completed both of the apps. I did these 2 over here. And now how to unlock the code, you have to get back one more time to the site, guys. After you complete both of the apps, come back one more time over here and you have to go down where you will find the button to take you back for iPhones here, and for Android you should have it here to take you back. You just need to press it, and then as you can see, the code, guys, get unlocked. If you try to get back immediately without completing any task, the code is going to show locked again. Or if you didn't complete the task correctly as per description, the code is going to show locked again. So pay a little bit of attention, guys, so you don't make any mistake. So this is it, guys, in short words. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I'll try to help with everything you need. See you in the next videos. Cheers.